everyone, I'm Yasmin and I'm one of the creative designers here at Sizzix. Today I have created a frame which I think will look perfect in a baby's nursery. So the frame looks a little like this, and I have actually used the lunar die, and it says "Love you to the moon and back," and I just thought it was a really cute make to brighten up any plain wall. And I've also used our embossing powders in this make as well, which look really nice. So stay tuned and I can show you step by step on how to create this. On my frame I have created a wash on the lunar die, and I'm going to show you how to do this first. So what I've done is use a combination of different tones of blue, and I actually like using my gluing mat to use my paint on just because it's really easy to wipe up. So I'm just going to put some of that down like so. Okay, so now I'm going to take my brush, and instead of applying my paint on, I'm just going to add the water on first. So I'm just going to wet my brush and apply the water on like so. Make sure there's plenty of water. Okay, now I'm going to add my colours on. And this might look messy at first, but it will soon blend in with the other blue tones. So I want it to go dark to light. Again, just going back with some water. Okay, so the next step is the embossing powder. So this is something I really like doing. So I kind of want to create a night sky look. So all I'm going to do is pinch some of my embossing powder and sprinkle it all around. So there's no particular way in doing this. Just pinch and just let it fall where it's naturally meant to fall. Sprinkle it around. So once you've heated the whole area up, you're going to get a really nice effect. So I don't know if you can see, really nice shine effect. So I'm just going to pop this to the side, and I'm going to use this piece. Okay, so now you want to die cut your lunar piece. So I'm just going to place my die on top here, put my cutting plate on top, and then put through the machine. Once you've cut your lunar moon out, you just want to stick it down into place, and then the next step is to add all of your text down, which is what I'm going to be doing now. Now that I've placed all my letters where I want it, I'm going to use some foam pads just to really lift it up. And this is what it will look like. So can you see it has like a 3D element to it? I'm just going to show you what else I've done as well. So I've actually just cut out some stars, which are in essentials, and I've just stuck them around like so. And then the final touch, I have some sticky gems, and I'm just going to place this onto my moon. And that is how you create your frame. Thanks all for watching my vlog, and don't forget to visit our website, which is www.sizzix.co.uk, where you'll find some more ideas and more inspiration.